ولا على الذين إذا ما أتوك لتحملهم قلت لا أجد ما أحملكم عليه تولوا وأعينهم تفيض من الدمع حزنا ألا يجدوا ما ينفقون.
Nor is there any blame on those who came to you, O Prophet, for mounts. Then when you said, I can find no mounts for you, they left with eyes overflowing with tears out of grief that they had nothing to contribute. Message from this ayat. Abu Laila and Abdullah bin Mughal came to the service of Prophet ﷺ on the occasion of Battle of Tabuk, so that they would be given horses to join the jihad. When the Prophet ﷺ told them that the horses could not be arranged for them, they returned crying. Their crying was due to not being able to participate in a good deed. Imagine if this was the situation of their crying for not being able to participate in good deeds, what would have been the situation if they would have mistakenly carried out misdeed? This is what happens to a true believer. The idea that the doors of obedience and servitude between him and Almighty Allah will be closed. It was a matter of pure obedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and for this they exerted themselves with all the efforts with his heart and soul, even though he could not succeed in his aim. Imagine if they would have committed a sin, and because of that they would have feared to be away from Allah, what would have happened to them?